Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is Medical Science and Astrology. Today I am to speak about the elementary principles of astrology. Murda asya gela skanda hridaya udara vasti desha guhyani കാലാങ്കാനി വരാംഗം ആനനം ഒരു ഹ്രൽക്രോഡവാസോ വസ്തി വ്യഞ്ജന. Similarly, the zodiac is divided into 12 signs, each containing 30 degrees, and all the planets are moving around the zodiac in different motions, so that they take different periods to complete the circuit. But Rahu and Ketu are not planets, but they are moving the opposite side of the other planets. The zodiac is known as the Kala Purusha, representing a full human figure. The anatomy of human beings. The Murda means Mesha Rashi, and വൃഷഭ, മിഥുന, കർക്കടക, സിംഹ, കന്യ, തുല, വൃശ്ചിക, ധനു, മകർ, കുംഭ ആൻഡ് മീന. അങ്ങനെ 12, മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ 12 മാസങ്ങളാണ്. നമ്മുടെ മാസങ്ങളെല്ലാം തന്നെ രാശിയായിട്ടാണ് കണക്കാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. എന്നാൽ ഈ ഹിന്ദു അസ്ട്രോളജി പ്രകാരം അത് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് മീനമാസം 20 തൊട്ടത് മാർച്ച് 21 തൊട്ടാണ് തുടങ്ങുന്നത്. നമ്മുടെ വർഷം തുടങ്ങുന്നതാകട്ടെ ചിങ്ങം 1-ാം തീയതി മുതലാണ് നമ്മുടെ മലയാള വർഷം തുടങ്ങുന്നത്. കൊല്ലവർഷം 1196 കൊല്ലങ്ങൾക്ക് മുമ്പ് കൊല്ലത്ത് വച്ചിട്ട് മാർത്താണ്ഡ മഹാരാജാവ് എല്ലാ പണ്ഡിതന്മാരെയും വിളിച്ചുകൂട്ടി ഒരു ഏകീകൃത സദസ്സുണ്ടാക്കുകയും അങ്ങനെയാണ് നമുക്ക് കേരളം മുഴുവനും ഒരേ തരത്തിലുള്ള വർഷം കൊണ്ടാടുന്നത്. Their corresponding English comes Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. The planets there are 9 planets. Out of that, 7 are luminants and 2 are non-luminants. The luminant planets are Ravi, Chandra, Kuja, Buddha, Guru, Shukra, Shani. Rahu, Ketus are the nodes of the cycle. The body of the Kalapurusha has been divided into 12 parts, and each part has been assigned to Rashi combinations. Then Mesha, head, Vrishaba, face, Midhuna, neck, Cancer, heart, the Simha, upper abdomen, Kanya, lower abdomen, Tula, chronis, Vrishchika, genetic organs, Dhanus, thighs, Magara, knees, Kumbha, ankles, and Meena, feet. The Mesha, Simha, Dhanu Rashis rule over vitality. Vrishaba, Kanni, Magar Rashis over bones and flesh. Midhun, Tula, Kumbha Rashis over breathing. And Karkadaga, Vrishchika and Meena Rashis over blood. The zodiac is also divided into 12 houses, reckoning from Lagna or Ascendant. First of all, we have to find out the Lagna. Lagna is at the time of horizon, at the time of rising the horizon, that is the Lagna. First we have to find out the Lagna. From the Lagna, we have to find 12 parts of the body. The houses of Bhava or part of Kalapurusha. First house or head, brain and mind, that is Lagna Bhava. Second house, face, eyes, nose, tongue, teeth, ears, fingers, and nails, bones, and flesh. Third house, neck, throat, collat, bones, hands, breathing, ears, and bodily growth. Fourth house, heart, lungs, chest, and blood. Fifth house, upper abdomen and mind. Sixth house, lower abdomen, navel, bones, flesh, and mental faculties. Seventh house, chronis, semen, female organs, and breathing. Eighth house, genetical organs, urine, and blood. Ninth house, thighs and limbs. 10th house, knees and bones and flesh. 11th house, shanks and breathing. 12th house, feet and blood. The Kendra houses are Lagna, 4th house, 7th house, 10th house. The Trigona houses are 5th and 9th. The sun, planets, moon, the Vada, Kapha, Pitta, three doshas are there. Vada, the planets, moon, Mercury, Venus, and earth. The Pitta, sun and Mars. If sun is malefic, Pitta, Ushna, Jara, Tapa, Deha, Padana, Apasmargal, Krodaja, Vyabichosmal. If moon is malefic, Jaladosha, Kamila, Venus, Adi, Gemini, Grada. Similarly, the planets produces the diseases. The Kapha planets, Jupiter and Moon, Venus, and Sun have also slight Kapha qualities. Saturn and Jupiter have slightly Pitta dosh. Shani is malefic. Vada Sleshma Vikara. The diseases related to Vada is Saturn. And the disease related to cancer, Rahu and Ketu. And the diseases of breathing complaints, Moon and Jupiter. Mercury has slightly both Pitta and Kapha qualities. The planets also governing different parts of the body, and they are the sun, stomach, bones, right eye, heart, skin, belly, head, and constitution of the body. Moon, heart, lungs, mind, blood, left eye, kidney, and alimentary canal, and water in body. Mars, blood, marrow, energy, neck, genetics, and red coloring, matter in blood, rectum, lead veins, female organs, and vitality. Mercury, chest, nerves, skin, navel, nose, spinal system, and gallbladder. Jupiter, thighs, fat, brain, lungs, liver, kidney, ear, etc. The Jupiter is malefic, and 311 houses are malefic. The person may get the ear problems. Second house and 12th house are governing the eyes. That Nidhana, Aridhana, Vayasthida, Revichandra, Reyamaya, Manujanam, Netrarogayam. The second house and the 12th house is malefic, and the sun and Venus there. The eye diseases will be there. The planets also rule over the different diseases, and they are the sun, troubles in right eye, high fever, heart disease, liver problems, stomach diseases, skin diseases, fractures of bone, leprosy, internal fever, brain troubles, diseases in head, moon diseases of heart and lungs, and mental diseases, and diseases in left eye, sleepiness, inertia, asthma, diarrhea, bloodlessness and poisoning of blood, diseases from water, vomiting, kidney troubles, and diabetics, menstrual troubles, marsh diseases from the heart, poisoning, and cuts and wounds, leprosy, sore eye, injuries, diseases of blood, diseases in neck, diseases of marrow, blood pressure, loss of energy, diseases in female organs, fractures of bones, urinary diseases, boils, tumors, cancer, piles, menstrual disorders, etc. Similarly, we have to discuss with the planets and the diseases. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other